Life insurance in Benson, Minnesota. Life settlement sellers are available more in number. A large number of policyholders are coming forward to sell their policy in the market. Policy sellers of life settlement policy have increased in number, and nowadays life settlement policy becomes important in everybody's life. More number of people started buying life settlement policy over the age of 65 who feels that they do not want any particular life settlement for a long period in their life. Life settlement transaction is longer transaction and it does not have any end for the policy. Only after consulting with the advisor the life settlement policy will be sold if in the life settlement market. Life settlement policy owner or the investor are said to be the financing entities, and the life settlement policy transaction will be taken under proper policies, rules and regulations. Generally, it is commonly known that every life settlement candidates will have expectancy between their ages of 2 to 20 years. The life settlement sellers will sell different kinds of life settlement policy to the buyer, and the buyer can buy any of life settlement policy from the market as per their desire. Each buyer will have separate interest on buying of life settlement policy, and when they got satisfied from any life settlement policy sold by the seller they go for it. Generally, life settlement policy differs with regards to policy amount, expectancy and benefits. Life settlement policy will be supplied to the qualified life settlement policy buyer, and after the proper analysis the life settlement policy will be listed. Each life settlement policy listed in the market for sale will carry separate restriction for their policies, and they follow the certain procedures at the time of sale. Moreover, the life settlement policy should be carried for certain amount and also some life expectancy. Depending upon the life expectancy policy amount, a life settlement policy fetches a good demand among the customers, that is buyers. Generally, life settlement policy is issued by the life settlement company or any insurance company. Life settlement pertains to financial transaction in which a company buys life settlement policy at less than their face value. Life settlement policy comes in different types, and all types fulfill the needs of the policy buyer. Life settlement policy is sold by the life settlement policy holder, which pertains to all rules and regulations of the policy as per the statutes of the state where the policy issued. There are more number of varieties of life settlement policy listed by the market, and the life insurance company is the one who issue the life settlement policy to the buyer, and the process of purchase and sale takes place as an ever-ending process, and at the end it is the life insurance company who purchased the life settlement policy from the particular seller in competitive prices. There are so many numbers of buyers and sellers are involved in the life settlement policy transaction, and each seller undergoes certain features.